period of time. And when there are lakes and oceans, or other large bodies of water, the sand or sediments, such as mud, sand, and dirt, will collect at the bottom of the ocean and are compressed by the pressure of the water, and it takes a really long time. Sometimes in lakes it takes longer, so it could take millions or thousands of years. And at the same time, it's constantly being covered by more sediments, causing more pressure.
And more possible layers, right?
Yes. And also, since there's different sediments at different times, it could be different colors, such as in this picture right here. Kind of like
mechanical weathering is the physical breakdown of rocks into smaller pieces.
There are 6 different types of sedimentary rocks. There is
Conglomerate.
there's sandstone and shale. There's also limestone, gypsum, and breccia, or however you say it.
After the lake or sea dries up, the top layer of the rock is dried and hardened, then the erosion takes place on all the layers after a long time. After the rocks are exposed, sometimes the fossils are exposed or dumped.
that is mostly pretty much everything about sedimentary rocks.
You guys have some pictures on there. Are you explaining those?
That's the conglomerate,
Conglomerate.
sandstone, shale, limestone, gypsum.
All right. Question for you guys as an audience. I noticed in our samples of rocks that the ones were tiny pebbles when I had them made it up. Some of them had rounded edges, while others were more jagged edges. Why would that be? Or why do you think some of them have more? I'm talking about the pebbles within a rock. Nick?
Probably because they went through a river or something and then settled.
Which ones went through a river?
The rounded ones.
Okay. Is it possible, though, that the ones with the jagged edges went through a river, too?
Yeah, maybe for a shorter period of time.
Which ones for a shorter period of time? The rounder ones or the ones that
The ones
have...
that are more pointy, so water can also erode it when it goes down the river. So
Well, they can chip off and they hit other rocks going down. They can chip off and make it sharper in the rock.
Okay, so you could say that a rock that has, or like a conglomerate perhaps, where it has more rounded pebbles, that it probably, the pebbles in there probably traveled further than a rock with more jagged pebbles in it. All right. Any other questions? Jenna?
The last 2 blanks were sandstone and shale, the different kinds of... On the first paragraph, mud
and sand.
Mud and sand.
Hey guys, what's the role of the mud and sand? What does it do?
It compresses.
Sand kind of rubs on the rock
in erosion.
It kind of makes it imprint into it, kind of.
Yeah, it'll actually act like the cement, and it'll help cement those different sediments together.
Because mud can, when it hardens, it forms together, so it can keep it kind of dense. Stronger, makes it cold sturdier.
What do you guys have for us? Anything else to share? Are we good? Good?
Do you have another one you need? Fossils.
Yeah, they